So if you'd like to be able to hide your subchannel on the fly, we can do that with a custom key. Go to Menu, go down to Settings, go to Radio Set, and Key Function. From here, select the key you'd like to program. In this case, we're going to use the one up on top, PF3. And now we are going to go until we find Subchannel Hide. Oops. There we go. Subchannel Hide. Select that. Now at this point, go ahead and back out. Now if you select that button on top, just go ahead and push that. There we go. It's going to turn our subchannel on since I had mine turned off. Now we can see it. Press it again, it's going to hide that. It doesn't take away the subchannel, it just makes it so it's not visible.